Eye contact. It plays a major role in communication because eye contact shows that you're paying attention. It shows that you are interested in what someone is saying. It helps you to figure out what someone is trying to say, and it also helps you to know how someone is feeling. But if eye contact doesn't come naturally, then it creates challenges in communicating and interacting. So how can you help your child to make proper eye contact? Number 1. Be sure that you are at his eye level whenever you're communicating with him. That is being face to face. For say, if he's sitting on the chair, you sit across him. Or maybe on a lower chair, which will be easier for him to look at you. Number 2. Give him a reason to look at you by doing things in an unexpected way, making funny faces. Number 3. Choose the right activity.